Hey, it's Gary Eldridge at Bayside Swan Skin Clinic, and this is where we help people who actually want to do something, who want to take action to help make themselves look better for their age, or maybe just to look significantly more attractive for whatever reasons that make sense to you. So today we're going to talk about how we can do something to treat those nasolabial folds. Now, the nasolabial folds are a very common problem. This is that line that goes from the corner of your nose down to the corner of your mouth and below, beyond sometimes. Okay, now in a great procedure that I learned in the US not so long ago, with a little bit of numbing treatment, we can make those creases disappear in 15 minutes without any pain at all. Now, if you take a look at this lady's creases by her mouth, they look like a big pair of brackets, and I invite you to notice that just after some treatment with some dermal filler, how these creases just disappear. And look, this reminds me of one of my members who she had suffered with wrinkles for years. In fact, her ex-husband actually used to make fun of these wrinkles, and she'd heard about me through one of her friends who had been seeing me for quite some time, quite a few years. And anyway, this lady, we'll call her Sally, she came to me with these creases, which actually were quite easy to fix up using a technique which I learned overseas. Now, as with all my members, I get them to come back about a week after for me to check it out to make sure that it's all perfect. Now, when she came back, she just burst into tears. She was so happy. She wanted to hug me, and she told me this story about how happy she felt about these wrinkles and how unhappy she was before because of them. And well, Sally's now happily married with the right husband, so you can imagine the effect that sometimes just a very simple procedure can have on a person. Alright, now we've been practicing here for I've been here practicing for about 18 years now, mostly in Mentone, but now as more and more patients discover the wonderful benefits of these treatments, I now practice here exclusively. So anyway, before you choose a good doctor to get dermal filler injections or whatever treatments that you're thinking about, I really invite you to download this free report. If you click on this link below and download it and read the report before you ring anybody else. Alright, I'll talk to you later.